Hey everyone, welcome back to AIFLIX360 TV. Today, we're diving into 3 big money mistakes that people between 15 and 35 make without even realizing it, and how you can avoid them to set yourself up for real financial freedom. So if you're tired of feeling broke or stressed about money, make sure you watch till the end, because mistake number 3 is something even high earners fall for. Number 1. Spending to impress others. Social media has made it feel normal to flex. The new shoes, the luxury vacations, the fancy gadgets. But here's the ugly truth. Most people you see flexing are either in debt, stressed, or one financial emergency away from disaster. Every time you spend money to impress people who honestly don't even care, you're stealing from your future self. Instead, focus on spending money on things that actually grow your value, like skills, businesses, or investments. Number 2, ignoring savings, especially an emergency fund. Between 15 and 35, life moves fast. Job changes, medical emergencies, car repairs, and guess what? Emergencies don't ask if you are ready before showing up. Experts recommend saving at least 10 to 20% of everything you earn. It sounds small, but over time is massive. Imagine being able to handle an emergency without borrowing money or begging. That's real freedom. Your savings are your shield. No shield, you stay vulnerable. Mistake number 3, no investment mindset. Too many young people focus only on spending money, not growing it. The earlier you start investing, whether in stocks, real estate, digital businesses, or even your own skills, the more you benefit from something called compound growth. Even small investments, started early, can explode into real wealth later. 10,000 Naira or $100 invested monthly at 10% annual returns could turn into over 10 million Naira or $100,000 in 20 years. But if you wait until you're 35 or 40 to start, you'll have to invest double or triple to catch up. Start now. Let your money work while you sleep. Quick bonus tips before we wrap up: living on borrowed money, credit cards, loans, for non-essential things, not learning basic financial literacy, like budgeting and debt management, thinking it's too early to care about retirement savings. Spoiler, it's not. The truth is, between 15 and 35, you have the best opportunity of your life to build a strong financial future. Avoid these mistakes, stay disciplined, and trust me, by the time your peers are complaining about being broke, you'll be living the life you designed. If you got value from this video, don't just watch, take action. Hit that like button and smash. Subscribe to join the AIFLIX360 family, where every video is crafted to inspire you, challenge you, and help you build a future you'll be proud of. Don't wait for life to happen. Take control today, plan wisely, and secure your tomorrow. See you in the next video, champion.